Greetings. This is breaking news. An 8.9 earthquake has struck near the east coast of Honshu, Japan, moments ago, followed up by several very large aftershocks. This is a significant day, March 11, 2011. Here is the latest information from the USGS website, and these numbers have changed rapidly over the last 30 minutes or so. Initially reported as two separate 7.9 earthquakes about 30 seconds apart, it's now changed to an 8.9 earthquake, followed up by a series of very strong aftershocks. Looking at the latest information from NOAA, and they're showing us a tsunami station in event mode, and that's all of these flashing buoys, and it does appear that there is about 2 meters of displacement in and around the region of the earthquake. Okay, with all large earthquakes we are given a tsunami travel time map, and it gives us an indication of where these waves will be headed and the time duration it would take. And there are some unconfirmed reports of a possible tsunami of in excess of 3 meters. So here are the travel times. Looking at the area of Japan with Google Earth, we can see this significant swarm in progress, and this is a fairly significant event. We have had 2 more earthquakes while making this video. 2 6.3 events have also been reported just moments ago. This is a fairly significant day. So that's my earthquake wrap for today, March 11, 2011. Thanks for watching.